Housed up, run around in it, flossing on it.
Hello everyone, so the first thing I'm doing here is priming my eyelids with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Biscuit. The next things you see me doing is packing the concealer all over my lid so that I can have an even base to apply my shadows.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something.
Here I'm just going in with my Maybelline All Natural palette and taking that taupe mauve shade and using that as my transition shade.
We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm thinking like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much.
The next thing I'll be doing is taking that plum shade and packing that on the outer and inner parts of my eyelid, creating a halo look.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Also, don't forget to blend that shade into the crease as well, so that it can look seamless and it won't just look crazy. If you know what I mean. For the center part of my eye, I'm going back in the All Natural palette and taking that bronzy, rose gold, shimmery shade, and I'm putting that in the inner part of my halo eye, and I'm just packing that on in the middle of my eyelid.
We were like 10, yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit, only gonna push me away, that's it, when you say you love me, that made me crazy, here we go again.
Don't wanna know what kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if you're holding on to you so tight, the way I did before, I overdosed, should've known your love was a game, now I can't get you out of my brain, oh, it's such a shame.
Haven't I made it obvious?
After putting that bronzy rose gold shade, I'm taking the lightest gold shade in this highlighting palette and putting that in the center of the rose gold shade. after doing that, I got interrupted. But I'm just gonna be taking that same bright yellow gold shade and putting that in the inner part of my eye. After that, I just took this flat brush and like smoked out my waterline with that same plum shade.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. Bubbles all over the floor. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. F-I-E-N-D-S, that's how you spell friends.
Here I'm taking this purple liquid lipstick and I'm putting that on the outer parts of my lip. Now I'm taking this mauve purple shade and putting it on the inner parts of my lip and blending it together.
I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain.
Next I'm just putting on some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. And yeah, I'm just putting that on my real eyelashes before I put my false eyelashes on.
We don't laugh anymore. Bubbles all over the floor. We don't talk
Here I'm putting my false eyelashes on. And you can't see because I'm going to be making a whole separate video on how I put my false eyelashes on. For anybody who wants to see just stay tuned. So this is basically the end of the video. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I hope some of you recreate this look and tag me in it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like any of my other videos. And tell a friend about my YouTube channel. Also, follow my makeup page, Chanel.beauty, and my main page, Chanel Sinaj, if you're not already.
Don't wanna know what kind of dress you wearing tonight. If you